Hi everyone! Do you want to say hi to my frogs right here? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs. Do you want to know their names? I have names for them. It's Greenie, Greeno, Green Green, Froggy, and Frogo. They are playing together on this log, and then they're also chasing after the bugs, and they felt so hot that they want to swim in the pool. What do you think? Do you want to let them swim in the pool? Let's do that, right? And splish! Splash! Splish! Splash! Splish! Yay! Now they're all in the pool and it's cozy and cool. Let's start story time now, okay? Hi everyone! My name is Ira Purnomo and welcome back to Storytime with Miss Ira. Today I have picked this book for you, Rainforest Animals by McDonald, which is also from the Hello World series. I really like this series, so I hope you like it too. Let's start! Rainforest Animals by McDonald. Lace up your boots, put on your backpack. We are going for a walk through the rainforest. Rainforests are warm, wet places full of tall trees, beautiful plants, and amazing animals. The rainforest floor is dark and damp. Can you count all the crawling insects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a mosquito, a caterpillar, a beetle, an ant, a dragonfly, a praying mantis, and a moth. Insects are small but important. They are a source of food for many other animals. The giant anteater uses its snout and long, sticky tongue to catch and eat insects. It can eat up to 30,000 ants and termites in one day. That is so many! Giant anteaters have no teeth. Here's a gorilla family. Gorillas are big and furry and have very long arms. They eat fruit, bark, leaves, and sometimes bugs too. Let's climb a tall rainforest tree. Croak! What's that sound? It's a red-eyed tree frog. Frogs lay eggs and tadpoles hatch from them. Tadpoles then become baby frogs. Growl! This big cat with spots is a jaguar. It can roam the forest floor and climb into the trees to look from above. Unlike most cats, jaguars like water and are good swimmers. Hiss! A boa constrictor coils around a branch. Its long, scaly body has patterns to help hide from enemies. Boa constrictors can have 60 babies at one time. Oh my god, that is so many! 60 babies! A little higher up the tree now, we hear a loud whoop, 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 whoop. What's that? It's a holler monkey, the loudest land animal in the world. Holler monkeys use their loud voice to scare off other animals. Sloths look forward to nap time. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees, holding on to the branches with their long claws. Sloths are the slowest moving mammals in the world. So slow. Let's climb up some more. See that beautiful bird? It's the Scarlet Macaw. What colors are its feathers? I see red and pink and yellow and blue, a little bit of orange. So beautiful. The Scarlet Macaw has 2 claws that point forward and 2 that point backward, so it can easily grab things like a branch. At the tip top now. Whose blue wings do you see fluttering? It's a blue morpho butterfly, one of the largest butterflies in the world. The other side of its wings is brown, which helps it hide when the wings are closed. Right? So you can see here it's blue, and then from the other side it's brown. The rainforest is home to so many special animals and plants. Maybe one day you will visit them. And if you have the chance, please protect them. The end! So what do you think about this book? I think it's really nice because you get to see more animals than the farm animals that you already know mostly, right? Okay, so since this book also mentions frogs, I wanted to sing with you a song about frogs, and I think you know this one. It's called 5 Little Speckled Frogs. Let's do it together, okay? Let's start! 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Glug glug! 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Glug glug! 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glug glug! 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 1 green speckled frog. Glug glug! 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum yum! He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 0 speckled frogs. Glug glug! Yay! I hope you enjoyed the song and the book. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And see you next time!